squad, welcome back to my channel. Here's a formulation of the body butter we will be making today. If you're new to my channel, you may not know that formulas are written in percents then transferred into weighed out recipes. I do have a video that goes in depth with formulating, and I will have it linked in the description box below. You may notice that the formula has changed a little from my last video, and I will get into that as we move further into the video. Here's my 100 milliliter beaker that I will be using. I bought this from Amazon. I'll make sure the link is down below. The first ingredient I'll be weighing is the shea butter, which has high concentration of fatty acids, has healing properties, anti-inflammatory, condition and soothes the skin, reduces redness and swelling, improves softer skin and seals moisture, promoting collagen and decreasing the breakdown of the collagen. Next is mango butter. It eliminates itchy, dry skin such as eczema and psoriasis, works as an emollient to soften the skin, protects from UV rays, prevents the development of wrinkles, and cleanses the skin. Next is cocoa butter, which is a rich butter that hydrates and nourishes the skin and improves elasticity, slows skin aging by protecting against damage from the sun's harmful UV rays, smooth scars and wrinkles, and is high in fatty acids. Also, I want to mention that I am making a 100 gram batch. Next ingredient is coconut oil, which hydrates due to having medium range of fatty acid, which helps reduce dryness and allows your skin to retain moisture, provides a protective barrier, helping shield skin from environmental toxins, dirt, and other icky stuff we face every day, soothing to the skin, and helps texture of skin improve. Next is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil helps improve skin elasticity and softness, can make your skin clear due to antimicrobial properties, can even your skin tone, and also can protect your skin from absorbing the damage of UV rays. After pouring those oils in my beaker, I'm going to stir it up, and then next I'm going to go to my stove and I'm going to do the double boiler method, where I'm going to bring the butters onto the pan first and then wait until the butters melt and then add the oils. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to make sure all of the butters are melted, or most likely melted for the most part, and then add the oils, and you'll see in the next clip. The reason why I had changed the formula is due to me wanting to add vitamin E oil. So when I was adding the vitamin E oil, I noticed that I needed to even out the butters because I mainly wanted the shea butter and mango butter to be the base of the formula. So that's why everything is mixed up. Well, not mixed up, but changed. Some of you may not even melt your body butters, but I love to melt it due to the grittiness when you do not melt the butters. I just don't like the grittiness, so that's why I melt it. So after I melted the butters, I'm just going to pour it in the bowl, and then I'm going to get some saran wrap and I'm going to cover the bowl up, and I'm going to put it in the freezer and let it solidify for about 50 minutes. After the 50 minutes, I just took the saran wrap off, and this is how the body butter looked. And I got my Emulsion Blender, but it has like different parts, so where I could just take the Emulsion Blender off and put the whisk on. That's what I did. I got this as a present, but I can link some down below if you would like certain equipments that I am using in this video. But I'm blending it, and I didn't like the way this was being blended, so I eventually got my stand mixer, and I'm definitely struggling in these clips. As you guys can see, the butters were actually just like flying all over the place. Like, I just didn't like it. It was very messy, so I just moved the butters off the side of the bowl so it could be easier for me to put it in my stand mixer. While mixing the butters, I'm going to add vitamin E oil, which reduces hyperpigmentation and wrinkles, adds glow and makes skin smooth, and vitamin E oil prevents oxidation of oils, so that's basically going to be our preservative. Vitamin E oil only prolongs shelf life of oil-based products only, not products that has water in it. If it has water in it, it will mold. Look at the amazing consistency of this butter. Like, I just love the way it looks, and the way it smells is just amazing. It's natural and it smells so good. Here's a clip of me showing you how the butter just melts into my skin. My skin feels amazingly soft and my skin smells so good. This body butter smells so good, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like, comment down below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on your notification bell and let me know what product would you like for me to make on this channel next. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.